must try this one. Look. Mm. Ooh, look at that bird. Good balancer. How come you get bread in your back? Oh, that's so rare. You are a good balancer. Who put the bread in your back? Hi everyone! Welcome to Minas Day Vlogs once again. Sa mga kapwa ko Filipino, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ken kaligitay padak nga Ilocano, na imbag nga aldaw yu amin apo. It's cooking time once again guys. But I will not be making dinner. Instead, a delicious dessert. So, are you guys ready? Let's start! First, I have here a can of sweet potato. So, this is 40 ounces. I am using the one in can. Now, I will lightly mash using a whisker. You can also use the fresh sweet potato, only that you have to boil it. So to make the work easier, I bought the one in can. Masarap po ito na dessert, especially ngayong holiday. Next, I have here egg. So I will just crack the egg and then lightly beat. Beat ng konti. Ayan. So, okay na siya. I will add into the sweet potato. Susunod, using a handheld mixer, I will mix the sweet potato together with the egg. So, lightly mix lang siya and at the same time, parang minamash na rin natin. So, eto na yung sweet potato. Then, I will add melted unsalted butter. This is all-purpose flour. I have here brown sugar, a little bit of salt. So, this is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Dagdagan ng konti, half teaspoon. Now, mix again to combine all ingredients. Kailangan po i-mix ulit para lahat ng mga nilagay natin na sahog or ingredients mag-combine. Oops, ayan, tapos na. Kung napapansin nyo, meron pa siyang chunks na konti para masarap. Yung hindi talaga siya pinong-pino. Okay. At eto na yung sweet potato. Ready na to transfer in a baking container. I have a little bit left over of the melted butter. Nilagay ko dito sa container and ibabrush ko siya. Brush lang natin. Even the sides like this. Okay, perfect. Next, lalagay natin yung mashed sweet potato sa container. Lagay natin lahat, scrape natin. Sayang. And then, flatten. As much as possible, make it even. Para maganda syempre. Next, I will bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Let's go! And while baking the sweet potato, I will prepare the crumble. So this is all-purpose flour. Again, brown sugar. Mix lang natin ng konti. There you go. And then I will add unsalted butter. This is cold and I cut in small cubes. And now, this is the crumble. And this will be the topping later. There. And after 20 minutes baking, eto na yung sweet potato. Next is, I will add the crumble. So, let's put on top. Oh, guarantee guys, this is really good dessert. Your family will love this one. I will just spread, but do not press. And not only that, I will be adding some chopped walnuts. Oh, talagang masarap. And hindi tinipid ang ingredients. Okay, so put back in the oven for 15 minutes. Smells so good. Look at this, guys. So this can be good already. If you like just the crumble and the walnuts to be your topping, it's good. Look at the layer there. But I'm not yet done, guys. So I have here some marshmallows. Okay, so I'm done putting the marshmallows on top. I will put back this in the oven until it melts and become brownish. Let's go. Wow. Ooh, look at that. It's done. So this is my sweet potato casserole with crumbles, walnuts, and marshmallows on top. And I'm back. So I chilled this for at least 1 hour. And now it's time to try. Eto na siya. Oop. Wow, look at that. Ooh, wow. Tikman na natin. Ooh, look at that, guys, the marshmallow. So good. Really, really good. Oh, it's like it's hard to stop eating this one. I love the crunchy part on top. Crunchy and chewy.